Hello and welcome to MiniOrange. In this video, we are going to show you how to map MemberPress memberships based on NFT owned by crypto user. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard, go to plugin section, and ensure that you have installed the MemberPress plugin, MiniOrange MemberPress add-on and all-inclusive plan of Web3 login plugin. Go to Membership plugin, and click on Add New button to set up the membership. Enter the necessary information as per your requirements, and click on Publish button. In the same way, you can include as many details as you would like. As you can see, I have added 3 membership titles. Now, go to MiniOrange Web3 Authentication plugin. Click on Contract Address tab. You will need to configure your token details here. For example, I have added the SpaceSpunk 4741 and SpaceSpunk 788 NFTs with their contract details. But you can add it using the Add Token button. Now, go to MemberPress Membership Integrator add-on. Here, you need to enable the MemberPress Role Mapping option, so that you can apply NFT gating for memberships published on MemberPress Shop. Now, select the contract addresses and the memberships from the drop-down list. You can add multiple mappings using Add More Mapping option. Click on Save Mappings button to save the mappings. Now, go to your WordPress login page, and you'll find the Login with the Crypto Wallet button. Click on the Login button. Choose your wallet and click on it. Click on Sign button. Enter your detail, and click on Submit button. You have successfully logged in. Now, go to your WordPress admin page, and click on Users option. The user has been granted the gold membership, because he owns the SpaceSpunk 768 NFT in his wallet. Thank you for watching this video. For more information please contact us at web3@securify.com.